So now we are having this concept of what is called the Madhavendra Puri, right? So Madhavendra Puri, who is this Madhavendra Puri? Let's see. He is the most exalted devotee, which is what I was telling you all, of all the devotees. You know, we have someone who is the highest, we say, no? We saw like Janaka Maharaj and all, who are self-realized. Madhavendra Puri is someone who is higher. He comes from the Brahmana family. And Brahmanas those days never used to take salary or money. They used to only preach Krishna consciousness, and they used to take, whatever is given to them in the form of food, they eat. Even if they get money, they will give it away, right? So Madhavendra Puri is one such devotee, and they will go and preach from one place to another. So likewise, he went and preached, and that day, he is even more exalted. He will not even ask food. He will just sleep. So that time, there's a small boy by name Gopal who comes and gives him a pot of milk and tells Madhavendra Puri, he's telling, Prabhu, please drink this milk, right? Because you're empty stomach. Now, children normally we don't take, right? So Madhavendra Puri also says, okay, I don't want to take, I'm so sorry, because, it's from you. And he says, no, it's okay, but my mom told me that whoever is coming to my village should not starve. So please have it, right? This is a village which is close to Vrindavan. So he says, okay, and he drinks the milk. And he says, but, Prabhu, please keep the pot safely, because I'm going to go around herding these cows and sheep. And on my way back, I need this pot back. Otherwise, my mama will scold me. Please take care of this milk pot. So we means we'll not bother. We'll drink and we'll throw, or we'll keep it in a corner. But Madhavendra, I already told, elevated. So he is now waiting, wash the pot, and he's keeping it steady and seriously. And he's keeping the pot safely, waiting for him. And he's doing his japa. See? And he falls asleep. So what happens in the sleep? He's deep asleep, and in that sleep he sees Krishna, and he also sees a small boy, right, who came in person, trying to pull his hand and call him for help, and running into a forest. And in this dream, he's chasing him, and the boy enters into the into a tree, and he says, "I'm stuck here, help me." So when he wakes up, he gets he just chases that particular place. He goes around and finds that place. And that place was like this. So genuinely this God, right, it is called Gopala deity, and he was discovered here. So that is when he realized the person who gave him milk is none but Krishna himself. And what he did is, after that, he brought him out and he created this temple. As I said, it's 2 kilometers from Vrindavan. And after all this is still prayed here, and it's called Gopal deity. And he became the head of priest for this. So, and he continued the seva. So this is the speciality of Madhavendra Puri, and he is someone who's a great example for controlling senses. Why did I take it today is because imagine we are all running with these senses, right? We can't even compare our results. We are conscious, our marks, we feel we will not have motivation, but he is not worried about anything except for the fact that even his food, which is basic need, he's not worried, and he's so exalted. And Krishna takes care. That's the point which I want to tell. Krishna provides for so many elephants. Krishna will definitely give us what is best for us, which means that we have to put our endeavor. It's not that Krishna will do and I will sleep. No, we will put our endeavor, and Krishna will deliver what is best for us. So we will give 100% balance. Krishna will take care. Okay, so this is the story, and I hope you enjoyed. Hare Krishna.